Hi! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw this Christmas ball using watercolor pencils. First, draw a circle. Then draw an oval above the circle. Now connect the oval to the circle with two diagonal lines. Now connect these two lines with a curved line. And erase the extra line. Now, on the curved line, draw the shape. Also, draw two rings inside each other. And erase the extra line. Now draw the overall shape of the bow. And erase the extra lines. Now add these lines to the bow. Get this shape to the curved lines of the bow. And erase the extra lines. Now draw these circles in order in the places I've shown. And erase the extra lines. Now draw the Christmas leaves in the places I've shown. And add the lines inside the leaves. Now draw the branches in the places I've shown. And add these lines to the branches like I did. Alright, the Christmas ball drawing is finished. Alright, now let's start coloring. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed of my weekly tutorials. And don't forget to like the video, because it helps it get recommended to more people. I'm using these colors for coloring. As I mentioned in the previous video, the watercolor pencil technique is similar to colored pencils. When coloring the lighter areas, don't press too hard with the pencil tip. First, I start coloring the Christmas ball with red. As you can see, I'm coloring the area around the light with a light pink. Alright, now I start coloring the bow with red. I shade the lighter areas with light pressure and the darker areas with more pressure, using strokes in different directions. Now I start with a dark brown color, recoloring the darker areas. And in the areas that need it, I use both red and brown at the same time. Now I'm using mustard yellow and dark brown to color this part. Now I'm starting to color the circles on the Christmas ball with red. And now I'm coloring the darker areas with brown. Now I'm recoloring the darker areas of the Christmas ball with red and brown. Now I'm starting to color the leaves using these two shades of green, light and dark.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
In this part, I also color the leaf shadows and the small circles with a brown pencil.
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here.
Now I color the branches using the same two shades of green. And if you look closely, you'll see that I don't color only on the lines, I also add some shading in certain areas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Now we've reached the fun part. In this step, wet the brush and go over the colors. Make sure to rinse the brush tip after wetting each section, then move on to paint the next part. And this is the result of the first stage. In the next step, we color again with the pencil, and at the end, we wet the colored areas with the brush. In this part, I used a bit of black to darken some areas. Be careful, since black is a very dark color, don't press hard with the pencil at all. Make sure that after wetting the artwork, you wait for it to dry before coloring over it again with watercolor pencils. Now I start wetting the drawing again with a larger brush, so there won't be any brush marks after it dries.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, la 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 la.
As you can see, I repeat all these steps until I achieve the desired result. I use a large brush for big areas and a small brush for small areas.
Join the chorus, la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, la 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 la.
In the final step, I shade with watercolor pencils, and this time I don't wet it with the brush. This is one of the appealing aspects of the watercolor pencil technique. And here is the final result. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, dear friends. I hope 2026 brings you the very best. See you in the next video. Goodbye.